Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the Pixel is charged and your data is backed up. This avoids permanent loss. Once done, verify you know the Google account credentials because factory reset protection will require them. Now power the phone off fully. Press and hold volume down plus power together until the bootloader screen appears. You will see white text and options. Make sure you don't rush past this screen. This is the only entry point to recovery for the Pixel 8. Once the bootloader is visible, you use the volume down or up keys to navigate to recovery mode and press power to select it. When you see the Android robot with an exclamation mark, press and hold power, then tap volume up to open the recovery menu. This sequence is specific to Pixel devices. Navigate to wipe data/factory, reset with the volume keys, and confirm with power. You do this to clear user data. It restores system default. After the factory reset completes, select Reboot System Now with power. The first boot may take several minutes while the OS rebuilds. You will be prompted to go through initial setup. Sign in with the same Google account you used before to clear factory reset protection and regain access. If the phone fails to boot or asks for unknown credentials, make sure it's fully charged and retry the recovery steps. For account lockouts, use Google's account recovery on another device before attempting setup again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.